Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are good and studying well. So, without delay, we have to start our new topic. So, today I am going to discuss the types of fraction. In the previous video, we have completed only the types of fraction. So, today we are going to study in a details what are the definition and how we'll come to know the given fraction is a like fraction or unlike fraction or mixed fraction. So today I am going to discuss the different types of fraction in a details. Then it will be easy for you to understand what type of fraction we are talking about. So first one we have like fractions. Number one we have like fractions. So what type of fraction is called like fraction? So fractions like 1 by 8, for example, 3 by 8, for example, 7 by 8, for example, 5 by 8, for example, and so on, all having same once again. So here any fractions having same denominator. So we can notice that in the first example 1 by 8. So here denominator is 8. In second example we have 3 by 8. So here also the denominator is 8. In the third example we have fraction 7 by 8. So here also we have 8. In the fourth example, we have 5 by 8. So here also the denominator is same. So any type of fraction in which the denominator are same, then that type of fraction is called like fraction. Once again, the fraction having all the denominator same are called like fraction. So here once again in the given example, whatever the upper number is given there, like 1, 3, 7, 5. So this 1, 3, 7, 5, these all are called numerator. Numerator, and this 8, 8, 8, these all are called a denominator. So in the case of like fraction, all the denominators will be same. So that type of fraction is our like fraction. One more example I'll give you. Suppose a question is given 3 by 9, 5 by 9, 7 by 9. So in this case also we can see that 9 is our denominator in 3 examples. So this type of fraction can be considered as a like fractions. In the second type of fraction we have unlike fractions. So fractions like 1 by 4, 4 by 5, 7 by 8, 8 by 9 and so on, all having different denominators are called unlike fraction. So what we can see that in the case of like fraction, this denominator we have considered 8, 8, 8. So that was same. In the case of unlike fraction, all the denominators are different in the given example. So in the first case we have 1 by 4. In second example we have 4 by 5. In third one we have 7 by 8. And in last one we have 8 by 9. So in all these cases the denominator values are different. Denominators are different. So this type of fraction are called unlike fraction. Once again, in the case of unlike fraction, all the denominators will be different. So if we can notice from the given example, we have 1 by 4, 4 by 5, 7 by 8, 8 by 9. All these denominator values are different. 4, 5, 8, 9. So it is not same. In the case of like fraction, all the denominators will be same. In the case of unlike fraction, all the denominator value will be different. So this is the case of unlike fraction. The third type of fraction we have proper fraction. So you have to understand what is proper fraction. So proper fraction like 1 by 4, 5 by 6, 8 by 9, 9 by 13. These are the examples taken from your book in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. So if you compare this 1 by 4. So in these two numbers, which one is less? Numerator is less and denominator is greater. So 1 is less than 4. In the second example 5 by 6, again this one is our numerator and this 6 is our denominator. So this 6 denominator is greater than numerator. Again in the third example 8 by 9, this numerator is less than denominator. So that type of fraction is called proper fraction. So proper fraction means the fraction in which numerator value will be less than the denominator value. Then that type of fraction is called proper fraction. Okay, next one we have improper fraction. So improper fraction, the fraction like 3 by 3, 7 by 5, 23 by 9, 26 by 11, in which what we can notice that this numerator value is greater than or it will be same as the denominator. So in the first example 3 by 3. So here either numerator and denominator will be same or the numerator value will be greater than the denominator value. So in the second example this numerator is greater than denominator. 7 is greater than 5. In third example we have 23 by 9. So 23 is our, this one is our numerator and this 9 is our denominator. So here also this 23 is greater than 9. In third example, our numerator is 26 and denominator is 11. So here numerator is greater than the denominator. So 26 is greater than 11. So this is the case of improper fraction. Once again, in the case of improper fraction, the numerator will be same as denominator or numerator is greater than the denominator. So in the first example numerator and denominator are same. So this can be also the example of improper fraction. Or if the numerator value is greater than the denominator value, then that example can be also considered as a improper fraction. So in second one we have 7 by 5, in third one we have 23 by 9, in fourth one we have 26 by 11. So all these three cases this numerator is greater than denominator. So this is the case of improper fraction. Next one we have mixed fraction. So any fraction consisting of natural number and proper fraction are called mixed fraction. Example, 4 5 by 7. So here this 4 is a natural number and this 5 by 7 is your proper fractions. So we know the definition of proper fraction. In the case of proper fraction, this denominator should be greater than the numerator. So if you compare this 5 and 7, this 7 is greater. So here 7 is the denominator and that is greater than this 5. So this type of fraction is called proper fraction. Now this mixed fraction equals to natural number plus proper fraction. Example, this 4 5 by 7 can be written as 4 plus 5 by 7. So this is the case of a mixed fraction. Once again, what is mixed fraction? The fraction consisting of natural number and proper fraction. Okay, this 4 5 by 7 is consisting of natural number. This 4 is our natural number and 5 by 7 is our proper fraction. So that type of fraction is called mixed fraction. So here I have given one more example. This mixed fraction is equals to natural number plus proper fraction. So here 4 5 by 7 can be written as 4 plus 5 by 7. So this is the case of mixed fraction. Now since the introduction part and the basic concept is done, explanation part is already done, now I am going to start the exercise. So now I am going to solve few questions from exercise 5A, page number 86. So I will be solving few questions and I will give you the idea how to solve the problem, and the remaining question you have to do it by yourself. I am going to solve question number 2 from first question. Write a fraction that represents the shaded part of the figure below. So this is the figure given in question number 2. Now we have to write the figure in a fraction form. So first we have to know what is fraction. When we divide any part equal parts, like here we have 3 parts, 1 2 and 3 equal parts, but out of that how many shaded part we have? 2 parts. That first and the second we have shaded portion. So we can represent this one in the form of fraction as 2 by 3. Since 3 is the total equal part, 1 2 3, 1 2 3 is total equal part, and out of that how many shaded part or shaded portion we have? 2. 1 and 2 we have shaded portion. So 2 by 3. That will be our fraction. Now next, question number 4. I am going to solve one question from this question number 4. The question is find 3 equivalent fractions for each fraction. So example is given 12 by 15. So we have to find 3 equivalent fractions for the given example. Now this description part we have already done. So we know that how to find the equivalent fraction. So we can write this one as 12 by 15. If we multiply both numerator and denominator by 2, then we will get here 24 by 30. 15 to the 30. Similarly, the second one we have 12 by 15. Again, if we multiply this 12 into 3 by 15 into 3 will get 12 3s are 36. 15 3s are 45. And third equivalent fraction we have, we can write it this one, 12 into 4 by 15 into 4. So here we get 48 by 60. Now this can be written as the three equivalent fractions of 12 by 15 are, what are the three equivalent fractions of 12 by 15? First one we have 24 by 30, 36 by 45 and 48 by 60 are 24 by 30, 36 by 45 and the third one we have 48 by 60. So this is the way to find the equivalent fraction. You can find 3, 4, 5, no problem. If you know the process, you can find the equivalent fraction till 10, 12 numbers. The next question we have, find the missing number that make the fraction equivalent. So one question is given there, 5 by 35 is equals to 1 divided by a box. So we have to find the number that makes equivalent fraction with this 5 by 35. So here we have to use our logic how to get this 1. So when we divide this 5, if we divide this 5 by 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. So here we got a 1. And this second one 35. 35, again if you divide this 35 by 5, so you get 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So here 1 is already there. Now if you divide this both numerator and denominator by 5, then we'll get here 5 ones are 5. We can do like this. 5 divided by 5. Again this 35 also divided by 5. Once again 5 by 35. We have to find the equivalent. We have to find the number so that the given number will be equivalent fraction. So in order to do that, what we have to do that here, we have to divide this numerator 5 by 5 as well as this denominator 35 by 5. Here we are dividing numerator and denominator by the same number. We should not change the number like here 5 and here 7. No. In both the cases, we have to divide it by the same number. So, if we divide this 5 by 5, we will get 1. And here in this box, if you divide this 35 by 5, 5 sevens are 35. So, what is the missing number? The missing number is 7 to make the given fraction equivalent. So, here it will be 7. This is the way to find the missing. Okay, next question, question number 7. So, here check which of the following pairs are equivalent fractions. So, here the question is given 4 by 7 and 32 by 56. So, here we have to check whether the given pair are equivalent fraction or not. So in order to do that, what we have to do here, second step, 4 by 7 and 32 by 56. So here we have to cross multiply these two numbers, and after cross multiplying these two numbers, if the multiplication product will be same, then we can say that the given pairs are equivalent fraction. If they are not same, then we can say that the given pairs are not equivalent fraction. Let's try. So here I will multiply this 4 and 56. 56 into 4. 6 4s are 24. 4 carry 2. 4 5s are 20 plus 2, 22. So in the first case, 4 and 56. When we multiply these two, we are getting 2, 2, 4. And the second one we have 32 into 7. So again we will multiply these two. 7 to the 14, 4 carry 1, 7 to the 21 plus 1, 22. So here in both the cases we are getting 2, 2, 4. 2, 2, 4. So when we cross multiply this, 4 and 56, 7 and 32, we are getting same number 2, 2, 4. Here also 2, 2, 4. So we can see that 4 by 7 and 32 by 56 are equivalent fractions. So this is the way to check whether the given pairs are equivalent fraction or not. If both the when we cross multiply and after cross multiplying if the product are same, that is the case of equivalent fraction. If it is not same, we can say that the given pairs are not equivalent fraction. One more example I will solve and show you. Question is 8 by 12 and 12 by 21. Now here also we will follow the same method. What we will do that we will cross multiply these two, and if it is same, then we can say that the given pairs are equivalent fraction. If it is not same, we can say that the given pair are not equivalent fraction. Okay, let's try 21 into 8. First we will multiply 21 into 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. So we are getting 168. Now second one, 12 into 12. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. Again 1 to 2. 1 ones are 1. So here 4, 4, 1. So how much here? We are getting 144. Now in the first case we are getting 168. In the second case we are getting 144. So when we multiply this 21 and 8, we are getting 168. And when we are multiplying this 12 into 12, we are getting 144. Since these products are not same, so they are not the pair of equivalent fraction. So when we multiply this 21 and 8, we are getting 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 168. When we multiply this 12 and 12, we are getting 144. So here the product are not same. Since the products are not same, so they are not the pair of equivalent fraction. This is the way to check whether the given pairs are equivalent fraction or not. And I expect that you will solve the remaining question and the next questions, like question number 8 onwards, I will solve and show you in the next class. Bye bye.